Class, today in continuation of the topic gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass, I'm going to explain you gram molecular mass. What is gram molecular mass? The amount of substance whose mass in grams is numerically equal to molecular mass, and it is called gram molecular mass of that substance. Or we can also define in a simple language the molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called its gram molecular mass of that substance. To write the gram molecular mass of a substance, we write its molecular mass and then replace the unit U by the word gram or its symbol G. For example, molecular mass of oxygen O2 is 32 U. Gram molecular mass of oxygen O2 is 32 gram. The gram molecular mass of a substance represents the mass of 1 mole of molecule, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of that substance. Let us take example molecular mass and their gram molecular mass of molecular mass of hydrogen, that is H2, is molecular mass of hydrogen H2 is 2U. The gram molecular mass of H2 is 2 grams. Then molecular mass of N2 is 28U. The gram molecular mass of nitrogen N2 is 28 gram. We can take the gram molecular mass of oxygen also, that is 32 gram. The molecular mass of water is 18U, so the gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram. Now before that we have discussed, we can also use the term molar mass. We can use the molar mass of a substance in place of gram molecular mass of substance. It means that the molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of its molecule. We can also say that the molar mass of substance has 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of a substance in it. Now, the molar mass. The molar mass of a molecular substance is equal to molecular mass of a substance which is expressed in units of gram per mole. Now, for example, molecular mass of hydrogen, again H2, that is 2U. The molar mass of hydrogen is, that is 2 gram per mole. We can take another example, molecular mass of oxygen O2, that is 32U. So the molar mass of oxygen O2 is 32 gram per mole. We can take example of water also. H2O water, that is 18U, and the molar mass of water H2O, that is 18 gram per mole. So just By this discussion, we can conclude that the gram atomic mass of an element and molar mass of an element are just the same. Similarly, the gram molecular mass of a substance and a molar mass of a substance is just the same. Please children note this. Again I am repeating, gram atomic mass of an element and a molar mass of an element are same. Gram molecular mass of a substance and the molar mass of substance is also the same. Now, let us solve some sample problems based on calculation of molar mass. That is, first one is, we have calculated the molar masses of a following substance. First one is sulfur molecule acid. For that, for the calculation molar mass, we need to learn the atomic masses. The molar masses of all these substances will be equal to respective molecular masses, which are expressed in gram per mole. Now, the molar mass of sulfur molecule, that is S8. Mass of sulfur S into 8. Mass of sulfur means the atomic mass, 32 into 8. That is 256 gram per mole. Now second one is phosphorus molecule, P4. P4, that is mass of phosphorus P into 4. Mass of phosphorus is 31 into 4. 124 gram per mole. Then hydrochloric acid, HCl, that is mass of hydrogen plus mass of chlorine. That is 1 plus, what is the atomic mass of chlorine? 35.5. That means 36.5 gram per mole. Then nitric acid, HNO3. In that, mass of hydrogen plus mass of nitrogen plus mass of oxygen into 3. Now 1 plus 14, mass of nitrogen is 14, mass of oxygen is 16, 16 into 3. 1 plus 14 is 15. 15 plus 16 3s are 48. That is 63 gram per mole. So children, please learn gram atomic masses and learn the molar mass. What do you understand? Molar mass of the molecular substances and their examples. And please do these all sample problems in your chemistry register. Thank you.